If you're building a travel booking website with WordPress, this video is your complete step-to-step guide. We're using the WP Travel Engine plugin with the free travel agency theme to create a professional-looking site that lets visitors search trips, view itineraries, and book packages without writing a single line of code. By the end of this video, your site will be live with real trips, pricing, and booking functionality. Let's get into it. To get started, you'll first need to set up your theme and install the core plugins that make everything work. Go to Rara Themes website and download the free travel agency theme by submitting your email and other required details. Once you have the file, check the documentation link on the same page and find the section called Import Demo Content. From there, download the demo content file. We'll use this later to generate sample pages. In your WordPress dashboard, head to Appearance, then Themes. Upload the theme file you just downloaded and activate it. After activation, WordPress will prompt you to install a few required plugins that are essential for the theme to function properly. So go ahead and install and activate all of them. One of these required plugins is WP Travel Engine, and that's the plugin we'll be focusing on for the rest of this tutorial. After activation, you will be taken through a quick step. Select the currency you want for your site, complete basic settings, and save. Now hover over Appearance and select Rara Demo Import. Under the Import section, upload the demo file you downloaded earlier and start the import process. This may take a few minutes, so give it some time. Once that's done, visit the front end of your website and you'll see the demo content has generated several useful pages, giving your site a complete structure. Now that your theme and core plugin are set up, it's time to start creating actual travel content. WP Travel Engine uses a custom post type called trips, which is where you'll manage all your packages. Go to the trips section in the WordPress dashboard. You will see a few sample trips already created, so you can either edit these or start fresh by adding your own. Start by creating a new destination. Fill in the required details and upload a destination image. You'll follow a similar process to add activities and trip types as well. If needed, you can also create your own custom tags such as rentals like car or bike. To add a new trip, click Add New. Fill in the necessary details such as the trip title, upload a featured image. On the left panel, you will see several options. Clicking each will expand additional fields on the right. Now start with the general section. Once that's done, move over to the date and pricing section. Here we'll assign pricing for adults and children. If the trip is on discount, you can also set a sale price. You might also notice that some sections include additional functionality. These come from premium extensions which are paid and can be installed separately if you need them. In the overview section, write a summary and provide a detailed description of the trip. Under itinerary, break it down into detailed plans like day 1, day 2, activities, and so on. Next, go to the gallery and upload multiple images. You can also insert a video link here. In the map section, provide a location reference. And under FAQ, list questions and answers related to the trip. Once you've completed all the details, click Publish. Your trip is now live. Just make sure you assign a destination from the right panel. This ensures your trip appears in search results. Complete any other necessary settings and save the trip. Now that your trips are ready, it's time to customize the look and feel your site. Go to Appearance and select Customize. This opens a customizer where you can modify different sections of your website. You can edit the contact details, change the hero section image and title, and much more. Most of the content blocks on the homepage have a pencil icon. Clicking on that will take you directly to the section you want to edit. You can enable or disable different blocks depending on what you need. Also make sure all the buttons on your site like Book Now or Learn More are properly linked to the right pages. You can manage these links under the Pages section in your dashboard. Once you're done with customization, click Publish. If you want to feature discounted trips or time-based deals, you'll need to assign sale prices to specific trips. Start by finding the trip you want to edit under Trip section. Open it and scroll to the Date and Price section. Enter the base price and then add a sale price if applicable. Click Save. View the trip to the front end to confirm that the new pricing displays correctly. From here, a user can go to all trips or directly go to the deal section and click the book now button. The detailed trip page will open. After reviewing the itinerary and trip info, they can click check availability. Once they select a date and the number of travelers, the total price will appear on the right side of the screen. Clicking continue will prompt them to fill out remaining fields like their name and contact info. If you have enabled the book now, pay later option, the confirm button will appear and allow them to complete the booking without paying immediately. If payment is required upfront, they can use gateways like PayPal or Stripe to finish the transaction. After confirmation, a thank you message will display the booking details. In your backend dashboard, you will be able to view this new entry. Once full payment is completed, you can change the trip status from pending to booked. Before you wrap up and go live, it's worth making sure your site loads fast. Especially since travel sites tend to have a lot of images, search filters, and booking scripts. To keep things running smoothly, install a plugin called Airlift. It's a free performance tool built specifically for WordPress and works seamlessly with WP Travel Engine. Once installed, Airlift scans your site and automatically applies speed improvements like image compression, script optimization, and core web vitals fixes. You don't need to tweak complex settings or worry about breaking layouts. Just activate it and let it handle the technical side of performance. A faster site not only helps with SEO and mobile experience, but also makes the booking flow feel smooth and reliable for your visitors. So before going live, give your site that final speed boost with Airlift. Now, one of the most useful features on your new site is the search bar located right in the hero section. A visitor can type the name of a city or activity, for example paragliding, and the site will instantly display all trips related to that activity or location. From there, they can go straight to the booking page. There's also a more advanced search option available. Visitors can filter their search by selecting a destination from a drop-down, then choose an activity, set the duration, define a price range, and once they click search, the site will show only the relevant trips that match those filters. And just like before, booking happens directly from that result page. Alright, now let's look at a few other features that you get with the premium extensions. These are optional but can significantly enhance your site's functionality depending on your needs. You can access these through a premium subscription and choose add-ons based on what you want to achieve. For example, there are features for group discounts, itinerary downloaders, partial payments, or even weather forecasts for trips. The extensions are grouped by use case. Whether you want to improve your user experience, boost conversions, upsell trips, automate processes, or capture more leads. To learn more about the available add-ons, visit this website and you can browse through the full list and decide what fits your travel business model. And that's how you build a fully functional travel website using WP Travel Engine. From installing the theme, importing demo content, creating trips, setting up bookings, to customizing your layout and search, everything is now ready for real-world use. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want a deep dive into the premium extensions, CRM integrations, or multi-language setups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Click here if you want to triple your site speed in just 1 minute. Trust me, you're going to love it. Click here and I'll see you there.